Okra? Okra? Is that what you're looking for? Is that what you want? It's new. It's new.
Hey, let him find it.
There's muddy paw prints all over from the rain.
Sure there are.
Guess I'll be mopping tomorrow. He's so gentle, he's not making it squeak.
No. He's inspecting it first.
Yeah, of course. That was Sylvester.
Yeah. Yeah?
Hey, Master.
You want to get in this video too? Uh-oh. So he's just licking it now.
Yeah, he's inspecting the head.
Yeah.
And he's just nipping at it. Sylvester wants to go outside. He's not going to go because it's wet, but I'll open the door and let him figure it out.
Bar?
Yep. Those frogs are loud. She's chewing on the head.
What?
I just tugged it. You saw him jerking away.
Well, anywhere he touches it, it's going to squeak.
Yeah.
Except the head, of course. There we go.
So of course he's going to chew the head. He's not letting go.
I think he likes it. That's a lot of frogs out there.
Yes. They're in the pond next door. Somebody's talking outside, he hears it.
Yeah, well, I hear it too.
You want that?
Wag, wag, wag. This is a daytime toy only. All right.
Yes. I'm taking it away from you. I think he likes it.
Yeah, I think so.